everyone, welcome back, and if you're new to this channel, thanks for joining me. Today in this video we're going to be making old-fashioned crock pickles in a crock. If you don't have a crock, you can use quart jars. So the recipe calls for 10 pounds of pickling cucumbers. I have 4 pounds here, so I halved the recipe, and then I'll add cucumbers as I get them from the garden. And these that I use are Adam Gherkins pickling cucumbers. So that's 5 pounds of pickling cucumbers, and it calls for equal amounts of water and vinegar, white vinegar, and 4 tablespoons of dill seed. I didn't have any dill seed, but I had pickling cucumber spice. I've used this last year and it worked fine, but that's your preference. And 5 garlic cloves. This is fresh from my garden. It's wonderful, juicy. And a 3/4 cup pickling salt or sea salt. Bay leaves, your preference of how many. The recipe says 6. 3 heads of basil, and 3 or 5 heads of fresh dill. And then I'm gonna just put the leaf in too. And that's the recipe. I'm gonna heat the water and vinegar up so I can dissolve the salt in it. And I will layer the cucumbers with the spices and then pour this over the cucumbers and spices, and then put it in the refrigerator, and then it sits there for a month, and then you taste it, and then it's usually pretty good within a couple weeks actually. They're crispy. They stay crispy for up to a year. So I'll show you how it's done. warm that up, and you just have to have the salt dissolved. You don't have to bring it to a boil or anything. So it's dissolved right now. So now I'm just going to pour it into the crock. There, done. Took me more time to get set up for the video than it did to do the pickles. So give it a try, and yeah, these are good for, they'll be good for a year. They have to sit in the refrigerator for 1 month, but they'll be good for a year, and they're crispy, and if you love dill pickles, then